Okay, I know I'm not the only one, so who else here loves a nice hot bath to end a crazy day? Raise your hand with the emoji hand raising one down in the comments below and get ready because this DIY is just for you. Hey! I'm Haley, welcome to my channel if you're new. On this channel we do the best DIYs featuring flowers and lots of natural materials. So if either of those things interest you, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will know every time I upload a new project. Things you will need for this project. First off is some Epsom salt. You don't want it scented, you just want the pure Epsom salt. Secondly, we have the pink Himalayan salt. Clearly this is not top notch, but it's all I could find that was not sold in a grinder to sit on your table. So that's what we got today. I have a 2-cup glass measuring cup, 1 tablespoon, a wooden skewer to mix it with. You could use a wooden spoon. I just only have a giant wooden spatula, so skewer is what it is today. A glass container to store it in, such as this little jar right here. I have some beautiful calendula petals that I dried myself from my garden, and if you want to know how to do that, I will link that video up here or maybe over here, just depends. And then I also have some lavender essential oil. The type of petals you use and the essential oil are totally up to you. That is just what I'm going to be using. Also, make sure you get the coarse Himalayan salt. You don't want it really fine. So a little bit more on the ingredients. I love knowing why we use things and the benefits they can have. So I'm just gonna go over each one and give you a few little tidbits here and there of how they can potentially benefit you. So the Epsom salt is really packed full with magnesium, which can help relieve sore or tired muscles, so that's a great one. The Himalayan salt has lots of detoxifying properties in it, so it can help to detoxify your body. The lavender is great for calming your body, just naturally calming with the scent of it. It's a great aromatherapy oil. And then the calendula petals have anti-inflammatory properties, so they help relieve your body in that way. So altogether, these ones work super well, and that is just like a little bit of here and there why we use these things while we're taking a bath and why they can be so powerful. Okay, so I have my recipe over here. I did some looking around and I kind of just made up my own recipe. Never done this before, but I am very excited to try it. Okay, make sure your measuring cup is dry, and then the first thing we're going to do is add 1 cup of Epsom salt. Whew. Well, that was way too much. Okay, so we've got 1 cup. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of the Himalayan salt. All right, so here's what we have so far, and honestly, this does not have to be perfect. It's just approximate. So I have 1 cup Epsom salt, 1 cup Himalayan salt. The next thing we're going to do is add our essential oils. I'm going to add 15-ish drops to this. And then we're going to mix it very well. You guys can see how it's kind of clumping up, so we just want to keep mixing it. Once you have it mixed up pretty well, we're gonna add the flower petals. I'm gonna do about 2 tablespoons. And then we're just gonna blend those in. Once you have this all mixed, it's ready to go into your container. Okay, you guys, here it is all finished. It looks super pretty, especially in this jar. I am so excited to try it out. And I just wanted to mention about the recipe. So if you guys want to change the recipe and make a smaller amount or a bigger amount, the ratio I did was 1 Epsom salt, 1 Himalayan salt. I did a little bit over a tablespoon per cup of the dried flowers, and then I just did 15 drops essential oil. And I can smell it a lot. It's very strong. So I just wanted to let you guys know that in case you want to do like more or less or whatever. That way you know it's the ratios. This would be a great Christmas gift or birthday gift. And I know Christmas is coming up, so it'd be pretty cheap and you could do a large amount of this for a good cost. You can get really cute jars, make some cute labels, put cute ribbon on there. It would be perfect for a Christmas present. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what combinations you're trying with your flower petals and your oils for these bath salts, and let me know if you like them. I hope you guys are having a great week, and I will see you soon for our next project. Bye guys.